a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Toops of this and toops of that. I'm Ashley Ann Mowat, journalist and media personality, and this is A Little Toops. Look here, if you never watch the first show, go on, go watch it. Now, for this show, we will be talking about my why. Why? Because I'm going to help you to identify your why. Why am I a journalist? Because I love telling stories. I love helping people understand their world and understand how they are positioned and their purpose in this world, in the world in which they exist. So that is my why. What is your why? What makes you tick? What are you passionate about? Why are you working in that position, in that office, in that space? Why are you at home, not interacting with the corporate world, and more along the lines of being a domestic type of person? Why are you out and about, hustling and bustling, looking for the next opportunity always? Why? Ask yourself that, no? And look out for the next episode of A Little Toops. And if you need a little more than a toops of advice, email info@liveworldja.com.